All right, we're in Lincoln, Nebraska, and we have another Dover elevator, and this Dover elevator is protected by ring, apparently. So we'll go to B first. It's an O'Keefe Dover. An O'Keefe Dover DMC. Just your classic, typical DMC. Very wacky looking basement. Look at that wall, it's all wavy. And back down to one. It's definitely a later DMC, like 90s, late 90s probably. Barbie dance party. There you go. Go to the Barbie dance party. That will be it.